See, everything about European life suggests a much more laid-back lifestyle. Even things like sirens. You know, here our sirens very, very functional. It sort of says, come on, out the way, out the way. More than my job's worth. Which to me denotes disappointment. Interestingly, you never hear him go the other way, do you? You never do that. Look, here he comes up. Well, there he goes. Because that will be defying the laws of physics, wouldn't it? That will be an ambulance attending an emergency in another dimension. Here, very functional. European sirens, a lot more lyrical, aren't they? It's like, yes, there is an accident, but let's enjoy the ride. In fact, the French ones are like this. That's just the bit you hear as it goes past. If you listen to it all down the street, it's like this. Attention, nous sommes blessés. Nous avons un homme, il s'appelle Jean-Michel, sa jambe est cassée. Avec une jeune fille, elle s'appelle Gesele, c'est si belle. Il montait dans un arbre pour faire l'amour. Il adoptait la position missionnaire. C'est populaire. Il est tombé, sa jambe est cassée. Attention,